Hey yo, what's up guys? I'm right here, and today I'm doing a review on a book. Just kidding. No, I'm not. There's a kid out there that knows that joke. Okay, so here it is. Review on the fidget spinner and the Fidget cube. Of course, it's fidget. Okay. I'm not really sure if this angle works, but that's okay. Gonna work. Okay, so here in the fidget spinner, let's open it up. So yeah. Okay, let's see how this works. So here it is. Yep, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'm kidding. So basically it's not like really like a good packaging, but you know, it's something, and it's very cool. It's very fun to play with. And it's super fun to spin. Like, you know, it's super fun. So you can like drop it. It'll keep spinning. I just gotta say, that's pretty cool. Okay, let's stop. Next thing, the Fidget cube. Let's see here. Fidget cube. I got it in red and black because it's cool, but yeah, it's really fun. Like if you like fidgeting with stuff, that's probably why it's called a fidget cube. Okay, yeah, there's the fidget spinner also. So basically one side of it has like the clickers, you know. Oof, Ken. Basically it comes from like that. And here we have some rules that shows like everything. It has the click, the spin, the flip, the glide, the roll, and the breath. Where's the breath? Where's the breath? It's not good at breathing. Oh, it's like just hold your finger there. That's cool. You have like a little ball that you can roll, you know? These are pretty cool. Like pressing, you know? Spin it. There's an actual spinner, you know? Not like that one, of course. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this review. If you have, I give it a 4 out of 5, you know? And if you have enjoyed, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and join the notification squad. And peace out!